Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The uribuilder class in Java is part of the Apache HTTP components library, specifically in the httpclient package. It is used to construct URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, objects in a convenient way, allowing you to create URIs with various components like scheme, host, port, path, query parameters, and so on. Hashtag tutorial on Java uribuilder. Hashtag 1. Setting up your environment. To use uribuilder, you need to include the Apache HTTP components library in your project. If you are using Maven, you can add the following dependency to your pom.xml. If you are not using Maven, you can download the jar files from the Apache HTTP components website, https://hc.apache.org/downloads.cgi, and add them to your project's class path. Hashtag 2. Basic usage of uribuilder. Here's a simple example of how to use uribuilder to construct a URI. Hashtag explanation of the code. 1. Importing required classes. We import uribuilder and URI classes from the Apache HTTP components and urisyntaxexception from the Java standard library. 2. Creating uribuilder instance. We create an instance of uribuilder. 3. Setting URI components. Set scheme, HTTPS, sets the scheme of the URI, example HTTP, HTTPS. Set host, www.example.com, sets the host, domain, part of the URI. Set port, 443, sets the port number, 443 is the default for HTTPS. Set path, /search, sets the path of the URI. Set parameter, query, Java uribuilder, adds a query parameter to the URI. Set parameter, page, 1, adds another query parameter. For building the URI, the build method constructs the final URI object. 5. Printing the URI, finally, we print the constructed URI. Hashtag output. When you run the above code, it will output. Hashtag 3. Additional features. Adding multiple parameters. You can add multiple values to the same parameter by calling add parameter, instead of set parameter. Setting fragment. You can also set a fragment in the URI using setFragment method. Encoding. uribuilder handles encoding of special characters automatically. Hashtag conclusion. The uribuilder is a powerful utility for constructing URIs in Java, especially when dealing with dynamic query parameters and complex URIs. This makes it easy to build URIs without worrying about manual string concatenation and encoding issues. Feel free to explore more about the Apache HTTP Components library for advanced HTTP functionalities.